Hello everyone, you are watching West channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix microphone not working issue on Samsung Galaxy F41. So before starting this video, if you are first time on this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and also hit the bell icon. So let's start a video without wasting any time. So if you are facing microphone not working issue while recording or while calling, just follow every single step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.